So yeah, there are two ways, or probably three ways, right? So the first one is to use free hosting, and second one is to use paid hosting. Now, free hosting is just for learning purpose, okay? But if you use paid hosting, that means you want real customers, right? But in free hosting, what happens is when 20, 30 users come, it just go down, right? So it just for learning purpose you can use it, and for paid hosting I prefer Hostinger because I have the affiliate. So what you can do is just buy using this affiliate link which is in the description, and I get commission. And there is a Google form also where you can attach your order ID, and just screenshot of the bill and your contact details, so that I can contact you when I get paid out, right? I will just return the some percentage to you, like 40-50% to you, okay, when I get credited from when I get paid from the Hostinger affiliate, right? So yeah, you can buy through this link, okay. And the third way is to download the WordPress from wordpress.org and set up locally. There are videos to set up this locally, but so I am not going throughout that. I believe that you should have an online at least a free server, right? So that you can learn more and more easily, right? So without any delay, let's get started with first Infinity free setup. Then after this I will teach you how you can set up on Hostinger, right? So yeah, let's jump on the video. But let me tell you about, if you want your website to be designed from us, right, you can contact us on Fiverr. I will give the link in the description. Don't worry, you will land on the right gig, and you just have to message us, right, so that our team can reply you. And yeah, this is also a way. So let's get continuing with the course.